Welcome back to All In Driving. It's been a couple weeks since I put out a video. I've had just a lot of personal stuff going on, but I'm back and I'm ready to keep getting after it. I'm in a constant struggle to find a spot for my phone in the car. You can watch this video to see how I like the Pro Clip, but obviously if I'm still looking for something, then it wasn't the best option for me. It may be for you, so go check it out. But today I've got something different. Let's go all in. Okay, so I purchased the Beat Sonic phone holder. It's gonna sit right here. They have not paid me for this. I purchased this. This is not sponsored, but they reached out. I'm looking for something, so I figured I'd give it a try. Let's see what's in the box and then see how it installs and if I like where it sits. It looks like a pretty straightforward design. It's supposed to sit right here on the outside of my center console near my shifter. So this is going to sit right here and hopefully give me a nice little view. Of course, if somebody's sitting in this seat, it may get in their way, and that's why I'm going to do it temporary for now. There are several pieces. These are scratch resistant strips that you're going to put right here. The whole process is a little bit longer. What you want to do is get a tape measure, start from here, measure up, find a good spot to put these, basically here and here. And then there's a paper cutout you're gonna tape here so you know where that edge is supposed to be. Since I'm just doing this as a temporary fix, I'm gonna slide the top down and you can see kind of where it's supposed to fit, which is right here. There's double-sided tape here to get a nice stick on. I'm also not gonna do that because I wanna make sure I like where this sits before I put it on permanently. If I do like it and I wanna put it on here permanently, I'll definitely do that. But for now, I'm just gonna remind myself where it's gonna sit, about right there. So I'll get the bottom in first and then snap the top in. And for me, for right now, it might move around just a little bit, but that feels pretty sturdy already. We've got a lot of room to figure out how we want this to sit. So that's nice. And we've got our phone holder. That's gonna sit like that. Figure out how to tighten this ball up. That's not gonna move very much. Now let's put the phone in, see how it goes. Basically, the way this phone holder part works, you just set it down in there and the weight of the phone should tighten it up. Honestly, I like this quite a bit. It's out of the way. I can shift, and I probably would want to move it over just a little more. My pinky, when I go into fifth, kind of gets up against it. But other than that, it's pretty cool. It's kind of in this zone. It's out of my sight range, and I'm going to go ahead and install this, I think. But first, I just want to get it out on the road, see how it shakes, see how it moves, make sure everything's good, see what it's like with a passenger in the seat. I'll give you guys an update once I know whether I'm gonna keep it in the car or not. But for now, let's just swing you around, kind of show you the whole setup a little more closely. And that'll be it for the day. I hope you guys have a good one. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.